How to add two different time clock in Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your home page in your phone. Now tap and hold on the home page. Now go to widgets. Scroll down and then you will find an option of clock. Drag down this button, scroll down and here you will see dual clock. And then add the dual clock. If you do not already have the dual clock, you can download it from your Play Store and then simply select the reason of your dual clock, and then you can also change different designs. Like if you want your first clock to be some city, you can change it and you will get two different clocks. You can change day and night colors and simply save it. So here you go. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.